Okay, so this is how it looks. Yum. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's vlog I will be showing you on how to make Leche Flan. First time kong gumawa nito, and I've been wanting to make Leche Flan for a long time. So yeah, come join me today. Okay, so I'm all set with my ingredients and I will be showing you shortly. But just a quick heads up, this is my first time. Nag-search lang ako na sa YouTube, and yeah, hopefully it will work. So yeah, here are my ingredients. So ang first na ingredient ko is yung evaporated milk. This is 1 cup of evaporated milk. You can also use regular milk. And then ang sunod is 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then next is sugar. 1 cup of sugar. This is granulated sugar. And then next is 1 can of condensed milk. So this is 14 ounce of condensed milk. And last but not the least is the eggs. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 eggs. So let's do this. Okay, so the first thing that we have to do is to break the eggs and separate the yellow egg and the white eggs. So let's see. I'm using this soup, the spoon. Okay. So, and then I'm just gonna put it here. Okay, I'm sorry, Sky, I didn't know Sky was behind me. So let's continue. So this is the second egg. I'm just gonna break it, all of it, and then I'll be back. Okay, so here are the rest of the eggs, and ano ko lang kasi yung kailangan lang natin is yung yellow for our leche flan. That's good. Okay, so this is the eggs, and i-ano ko na lang, i-whisk ko. Okay, so inilipat ko na siya dito sa malaking bowl, and I'm gonna put yung leche flan, yung condensed milk. 1 can of condensed milk. And then the next one is yung evaporated milk. 1 cup of evaporated milk. And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then you whisk again. Okay, so the next one na gagawin natin is i-caramelize yung sugar. And this is 1 cup of sugar. So, let's do this. Okay, so as you can see, nagka-caramelize na siya. So good. And then my fire is a medium fire, or actually low fire. So, as you can see, nag-caramelize na yung sugar. And, pwede na tong ilipat sa llanera. Okay. Okay, so here is my llanera. And, I have 2. Kasi yung recipe na ginagawa ko is good for 2 leche flan. So, I have 2 of these. So, ilipat lang natin dito yung caramelized sugar. Okay, so this is my first na llanera. Now, you can put your okay, so that's good. And then the next one. Perfect. So, sakto lang talaga to sa dalawang llanera. Okay. Okay, so the next step is cover yung llanera ng foil. Okay, so what I did before I transfer yung ingredients sa llanera, I was boiling water. So, here is my water. Yeah. Okay na siya. Mainit na siya. So, we're ready to put in here. So, you can use any steamer. So, I'm using this kind of steamer. It's 30-inch. And kasya yung dalawang llanera. Okay. So, let's put it. Okay, so I just put it here. And kasyang-kasya yung dalawang llanera sa 30 centimeter na steamer. So, we'll wait for 30 to 40 minutes. And I cannot wait. Okay, so it's been 40 minutes. Exactly 40 minutes. And, andito na yung... Okay, let's see. Medyo mainit pa siya. So, here how it look. And just dump it. Okay. Medyo nag-break lang siya dito ng konti. But that's how it looks. Okay, so as you can see, hindi siya perfect how it shape and kasi mahirap pala siyang tanggalin right after you take out from the steamer and you open it with the foil and stuff. So yeah, I think you have to wait before you put it on a plate. But yeah, let's try. It's really sweet, but it's what do you call this? Masarap siya talagang panghimagas. And you add it with the halo-halo or ice cream. It's perfect. But yeah, ganito siya. This is how it looks. Yum. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment for any suggestions. And I'll see you guys again next time. Bye.